Assalamu alaikum my all viewers. I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is aloo matar gajar pulao or a potatoes, peas and a carrot pulao in a very simple way and in my style. So let's make it. First of all, take a deep pot and then put oil in a pan and heat it well. And then add sliced onions and fry it well until it turns golden brown. And then add little water to bring out the color of the onions, and then add julienne sliced ginger, and then add all the hot spices like bay leaves, black cardamoms, cloves, star anise, cinnamon sticks, black peppercorns, cumin seeds, and then add sliced tomatoes, whole green chilies and mix it well for about 5 minutes so that it smells good. Then add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder and a chili flakes and mix it well so that all the spices are well combined. Then add fresh peas. You can also use frozen peas and then mix it well so that they become soft, and then add potatoes in it and mix it well. Then after mixing for about 4 to 5 minutes and then add carrots and mix it well and stir fry well for about 5 to 8 minutes. And then add 2 glasses of water and cover it and cook it till it boils. As soon as the water boils, then add the soaked rice and mix it well. And then cover and cook on a low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes or until all the water dries up and the rice are cooked properly. Then stir it with very light hands, so take it out in a serving platter and also serve it with any raita of your choice. So serve and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.